Stop waiting for perfect AI content. Grab your phone and start capturing what customers actually trust. Real photos beat generic stock content every time. Authentic videos build trust faster because they show you're actually doing the work. Your phone is the most powerful marketing tool you own. Use it to capture your team and your branded trucks on site. Show the transformation. Before and after shots are one of the highest converting forms of content you can produce. Don't forget your happy customers. With permission, capture quick testimonials and reaction videos right after a job well done. AI is great for organizing, repurposing, and distributing your content, but it should amplify real-world proof, not replace it. After every job, capture one team photo, one truck photo, 3 before and after shots, and a quick video walkthrough. How many real job photos did your team capture this week? Comment the number below, and let's see who's winning. Real proof means more trust, better SEO, and higher Google Maps engagement. It's the fastest way to book more estimates. Customers trust proof. Visit digitalmarketingcoach.com to work with me or grab my free job site content checklist today.